Hello everyone, I'm Jingyi Wang from Studio 8. Today I'm going to talk about my encounters in Antarctica. My research lens is cutback winds. After the research in Antarctica, I got my toolbox that tracing winds and the interaction between cutback winds and the ice in Antarctica. Winds can change the material surface and its patterns. So when it comes to Macquarie Point, which is located in Hobart, Tasmania, I found 6 transects, a group of changes and a group of winds. Change group are transect 1, 2, 3. First one is a change of Macquarie Point material from natural land to the field land and then the man-made land. The second one is a change of site surface in the future. Sea level rise will up to 3.4 meters in 2150. The third one is a change of urban patterns and wind patterns. Wind groups are the 3 transect tracing winds from Antarctica. In March in Hobart, the southwest winds are blowing from Antarctica, and these 3 wind lines through 3 docks in Macquarie Point. Then I began to rethinking the significance of landscape design for people. In real life, we can often see some formalism, self-dissipation landscape. However, Antarctica shows us the diversity, instability, and the temporality of material, how to re-establish the connection between human and nature through landscape and inspire people to think about the world which we live. Through 6 transects, I got 9 encounters. The intersections 1 to 4 are surface change meets wind tracing. 5 to 7 encounters are material change occurs wind tracing, and the last 2 are pattern change encounters winds. The first intersection is at the seaside. In the year 2140, the sea will flood this area, so I designed a bench and a basin in this site. The half of the bench is made of wood and the other half is mirror texture. The basin is located below the bench through perspective analysis, so people pass through this area may look this bench floating or disappearing. This design wants to arouse people's reflection on the melting sea level in Antarctica. In Encounter 2 and 3, a scenario is simulated. After sea level rises, people observe this familiar environment on the water and on the water. Intersection 2 is located at the corner of the building. I designed a space with 3.4 meters high roof and used wood pattern stainless steel. Its pavement is blue. In the daytime, the roof reflects the blue pavement. In the night, the searchlight will open to keep and enhance the effect. Encounter 3 is located beside the building, so I designed a blue box to connect the building and the public space. Then the box rises to 3.4 meters high, and in the night, the searchlight below the box lightening. People in the connect space will see the scene after the sea level rise. When it comes to Encounter 4, due to the cutback winds famous for its high speed and low temperature, I designed an induction wall. Different people can come and create airflow, then the wall can reflect its force, temperature, and speed. The Encounter 5 is inspired by people, field trees, and the various manufacturing speed up global warming, so I tied up wall seeds and trees. When winds come, the seeds will shake in with the winds. Encounter 6 wants to show the regular of wind. Wind has its own time scale. The circle pavement turns around in an hour. When the pavement sends the southwest wind from Antarctica, water mist will be spread. People sit in the rotting pavement can see different landscape in different time. The Encounter 7 is a garden space on the dunk. People see the texture of the dunk. Tides in different time shows different. After a few decades, people may find that the sea level has become much higher without knowing it. Then the Encounter 8 is a device make wind patterns show on the wall. The building walls on both sides of the road are covered with 13 centimeters fabric. The resting place on the edge of the building is the best viewing point for the scene. The last one draws the inspiration from Antarctica surface patterns. Leave Antarctica, the wind can also shape different shapes and arrangements. Balloons helps us to enhance the force of winds and create different space shapes by the natural forces. After the design process, glacial thinking gave me another way to do landscape design. Landscape design should pay more attention to how to establish communication between human and nature so people can discover the other side of the things that they accustomed to. The understanding of material needs more in-depth exploration.